Hi, my name is Takara Roach, and I'm the founder of Sweet Sheets. Today we're going to talk about triple sheeting. Triple sheeting has been a popular trend in the hospitality industry for the last several years, and today we're going to show you how you can achieve that look in your own home in this step-by-step tutorial. What's great about triple sheeting is that you have the benefits of using a duvet cover without actually using a duvet cover. Have you ever had problems smoothing out that comforter right to the corners of the duvet? Let's be honest, have you ever climbed right inside your duvet cover to smooth it out? I can't be the only one. Triple sheeting makes stripping and remaking your bed with fresh, clean linens simple and leaves your bed with a modern, clean look. Another great thing about triple sheeting is that you can add variety simply by changing the color of your sheets to really make things pop. In this demonstration, Keisha is going to be using our Sweet Sheet signature colors, Silver Sprinkles, and Poppy Seed to add contrast.
Step 1. The foundation. After your fitted sheet is already in place, take your flat sheet and bring the hem all the way to the top of the mattress. Step 2. Add filling. This is where you take your warmth layer or blanket and place it on the bed 6 inches from the top of the mattress. Step 3. The top sheet. Now bring your final flat sheet all the way over the warmth layer, connecting it to the edge of the mattress. Step 4. The fold. Your first fold will only include the 2 flat sheets on either side of your blanket. Fold both flat sheets down together about 6 inches. Include your blanket for the next fold down another 6 inches. Step 5. The finishing touches. Tuck in both flat sheets with the blanket beneath the foot of the mattress. If you prefer, tuck the sides in to create a smooth corner. Add accent pillows or throws to create the perfect look to complement your bedroom decor.
Want to try this at home? Sweet Sheets conveniently sells flat sheets individually with 15 beautiful colors to choose from. Shop from home today at sweetsheetsinc.com.